Have you ever stared at your screen for hours trying to create just one perfect reel and ended up with none? I get it. I've been there too, wasting days stressing over drafts that never saw the light of day. But today, we're flipping the script. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I create 100 high quality reels. Yes, 100 in under 10 minutes. It's a simple system that you'll wish you knew sooner. Ready? Let's dive in. And by the end, you'll never look at content creation the same way again. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to ChatGPT and we're going to paste in our prompt. The prompt we're going to say, it says, give me 100 short paint party biz hack captions to put on a short reel, no more than 6 to 7 words, put in a CSV file. Now, of course, you're going to want to adjust this prompt to fit your own business. But for now, we're just going to use, let's just say, the paint party business. We're going to click generate. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a CSV file with all of the captions all ready to go according to this paint party biz. So we're just going to give it a moment. Okay, so it generated 100 captions. And we're just going to scroll down to the bottom. And then it's going to say, if you want, I can also put this in a downloadable CSV file. So then we're just going to say, yes, CSV file. And now it's analyzing and it's going to create that CSV file. Sometimes with chat, it will create the file right away, and then other times it will do a portion of the task you asked and then ask you if you want the other portion. So in this case, that's exactly what it did. And now it created our CSV file. So all you would do is just click on it and download it to your device. So once you have it downloaded to your device, we're going to head over to Canva. Once you're inside Canva, you're going to go to templates under where it says, what will you design today? You're going to click templates and we're just going to type in the word reels. Once you go to reels, you want to look through and find a template that you want to use for your reels. We're just going to keep it simple. I'm going to click on this first one. And I'm going to click customize this template. This is a pro template, which means this is from the paid version, but there are plenty of free options if you do not have the pro version of Canva. Okay, so once we're in here, we are going to go over to our apps on the left side and we're going to type in bulk create. Once you type in bulk create, you're going to get some apps that's going to pop up. We're going to click on this first one that says bulk create. Once you click on it, it's going to say at the bottom, enter data manually or upload data. We want to upload because we have the CSV file already. So then we're going to go ahead and upload that file that we just downloaded. Okay. So once we do that, we're going to go over here and we're going to click on the actual caption that's already on the reel. We're going to click on these 3 dots
and we're going to click on Connect Data. Underneath that is the option that's in our CSV file, which is just the captions. So we're going to click Caption. Okay, so this is where our captions will appear. We're going to click Continue. All of the captions that was in the CSV file is going to populate here on the side, and then we're just going to click Generate. Once we click Generate, it's going to say View in Folder. We want to open that up. And then it's going to pop up as your first file. We're going to go ahead and open it. And then as you can see, all of our hacks are on each reel. So now we have 100 reels here, all ready to go. Now, if you don't want to have the same video on each reel, of course you can come in here, you can change the font how you want. All you have to do is just click on it, and then you can also do it all at one time. So you can click on this font and it'll change it for all of them. You have that option. But if you want to change the video, you're going to have to manually go in and do each one. So since this is about paint parties, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Elements, and I'm going to type in, let's just type in Art Studio. And then I'm going to click on Videos, and look, we have all of these videos. So you can type in different things, art class, paint party, and see the different things that pop up. And since this one say prep canvases the night before, then I can go ahead and look for a video that I can just go ahead and pop in there. So for example, let's say we're going to put this one in. All I have to do is just drag and drop. And now this reel is ready to go. Okay, and then you can make your text darker so that people can see. So in order to do that, you can just click on it, and then you can change the color of the font. And then you can just go into each one. If you, like I said, you don't want to use the same one, you can go in and find a video and just drag and drop. And then you have 100 reels all set to go. And then all you have to do is click Share, Download, and then you want to download it as an MP4. And let's just say you're doing the first reel. So all you would do is you just want to click Current Page instead of you downloading all the reels together. And then you are done. And then you have your reels, and then you can schedule these in your social media scheduler or however you plan on doing it. And then they're all set to go. So I'm going to play this one so you can just kind of see what it looks like.
And that's it. 100 reels done in just 10 minutes. Now you've got two choices. You can sit on this info and let it collect dust, or you can take action right now and flood your content calendar with powerful reels that actually move the needle. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so more creators can find this too. See you in the next one.